Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the Nidici Kun-H5 5.5 inch frame. This frame has a wheelbase of 227mm, so it allows you to use 5.5 inch propellers, and I think this is one of the only frames in the market that offers a solution in between 5 inch and 6 inch frames. This frame is also very light, so it might be a good platform for a lightweight build. So let's start by opening the bag and see all the parts we're getting inside. So these are all the parts we're getting inside. Inside this small bag we're getting all the spacers, nuts and screws. We're getting this canopy that is made out of PLA or ABS. This is not made out of TPU, so it's not very flexible. We're getting the arms, the side plates, the bottom plates, and also these two pieces that hold the arms together. In addition, we're also getting this Velcro strap with the Nidici logo and the assembly guide diagram. The thickness of the arms is 5.1mm. The thickness of each side plate is 2mm. The thickness of the bottom plate is 2.9mm. And you can see that the holes for the motor mounts are pretty big, so it will allow you to use different sizes of motors. At its widest point, the distance is about 20.9mm, and at its most narrowest point, the distance is about 11.8mm. As you can see on the bottom, we have 8 holes, so you can use 20 by 20 and also 30.5 by 30.5mm boards. So now I'm going to quickly assemble the frame and show you the outcome. So this is how the frame looks like when it's assembled. Let's weigh it up. This frame is very light and it weighs only 82.6 grams. As you can see, the canopy is very narrow, so you're not going to be able to fit inside a standard side or even a mini FPV camera. You're definitely going to need a micro FPV camera. On the back we can find this cutout for the VTX antenna, and we have also these cutouts on the sides that are going to enable you to mount a GoPro camera. Now, by the way, even though it has the H in its name and it also looks like a little bit of a stretched X-frame, this is actually a true X-frame. The distance between these two motors is about 16 centimeters, which is the same distance between two motors, which is also about 16 centimeters. There might be a couple of millimeters of a difference, but this is almost a true X-frame. So overall, I think that the Nidici Kun-H5 can be a great platform for a lightweight racer. That's why I just ordered 5.5 inch propellers, because I want to feature this frame on one of my next build videos. Of course, you can also use 5 inch propellers, but I want to use the maximum size that is compatible with this frame. The price of this frame is around $50, which is not that bad because the carbon is made out of high quality material and also it looks pretty good. However, I think that they should have included either a TPU canopy or add a couple of more ABS canopies, because this material is pretty cheap, and if they could add a couple of coloring options, it could be nice, because it could have given you the ability to customize your frame. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about this frame, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.